Welcome back guys to ZRK Reviews, and today what I'm going to be unpackaging is a lot of GoPro's accessories which are inside this little case here. So guys, if you own a GoPro camera, then I do recommend you getting this bundle full of GoPro's accessories inside this case, which only cost me about £20. So let's unzip this case and unpack all its contents. I'll try my best to try some out so you can see how good they are. So let's get started. Right, online they sell different kind of packages inside this little case. So depending upon what kind of items that you need, just have a look through the list and make sure you have the right accessories for the GoPro. Don't know where to start now, there's so much here. We'll start off with the small items. Let's have a look at this. So guys, I believe this is a wrist strap. So you just put this on your wrist, just make sure this gets tied through this loop over here, and the adhesive pad just sticks on here with I believe the GoPro gets mounted on here. Right, next. Okay guys, so I believe this is a wrist strap, and this one is a tool to tighten up the screws. You get two GoPro clip mounts. Let's have a look what's inside here. Right, you have your suction cup which fits on your windscreen or window. I believe this is the suction lever here. Yep, and the GoPro sits on top of here, which you can rotate any direction. We've got a couple of microfiber cloths here. This looks like a bar of soap. So what we got here is a little sponge. I believe this is a floater that fits right at the back of your GoPro camera. So your adhesive pad fits on top of here, and then that sticks right at the back of your GoPro camera, which I believe it helps the GoPro to float. We've got just so many of GoPro mounts, the square and the curved, just so many adhesive pads in there, very handy. Cool. Okay, let's see what we got next. So we got another set of GoPro clips. I believe that is a different design towards that I showed you earlier on. What we got here is a bicycle mount. These are a couple of pieces that you need to actually mount the GoPro camera. So whenever you're cycling out and you want your GoPro to sit on your bicycle, then this is the adapter to use. Okay, next what we've got, and what I believe it is, a tripod mount. So you have your tripod thread over here, fits on top of your tripod adapter, and then on top of this you fit your GoPro camera and screw it in to tighten it. Right, what we got next is some more screws that fits in your adapters to secure your GoPro camera. Okay, what's this? Let's see what's inside here. I believe I've seen this one before. So your GoPro camera sits on top of here, and this is a really hard clip that fits probably on your backpack. We got a couple of more tripod thread mounts. I think this would be my favorite piece. This is one of the reasons why I bought this package. You'll also get this monopod. The GoPro camera sits on top of here, and I believe this is extendable. So let's see how long this extends. Oh, okay. So I believe that is about 2.5 feet. Pretty cool gadget, love it. This one, my friend, is a floater. Yeah, so I've seen this one before. The GoPro camera sits on top of here. You secure it with this thumb screw. You add your wrist. So you add your wrist support towards it too. So even though the GoPro camera is waterproof, it will save it from drowning by attaching to this floater here. A couple of sticky pads over here. Okay. And we've got some more. Yeah, a couple of more sticky pads. This piece here is my favorite one. The GoPro camera sits on top of here, and this one slots straight on your head. So whether you're playing football or any action adventure, just place this on top of your forehead, and your GoPro camera should be showing just like that. These silicone wavy lines here gives you a comfortable feel on your forehead and also secures it too. So that's a pretty neat design, that is. Cool. Next, I believe we only got 2 more pieces left. Let's see, what's this one here? Another strap. This is the strap, which is a wrist strap. So somehow you just place it on your wrist like a watch. So your GoPro camera sits on top of this, and that becomes a wrist strap. Right, this strap here, guys, is for your helmet. So your GoPro camera sits on top of this, and this will buckle up on your helmet inside. I thought first it would be a wrist strap, but it's not. This one is a body strap. This is one of the main features inside the package. Your GoPro camera sits on top of here. You'll get a chance to buckle up, and then you'll strap this onto your body to secure any sort of actions that you will be doing. So guys, I believe that's what you will get inside the package. And as I told you before, that each and every package have different kind of items. Pretty much they are all the same, but have a look at the description before you purchase, and you get this nice carry case with it too. Oh, we found something else. Right, I don't know what this one is, but this is another strap here you'll get. I just created a lot of mess here, so let me just clean this up. Okay, so guys, as you have seen, you get a lot of pieces inside this package. If you want to buy them separately, you can do also, and they will be still cheap. I think everyone's favorite is going to be the monopod. So if you're buying the package, make sure this monopod is inside the case, and if you want to buy it separately, you can do also, which is also cheap. GoPro, turn on. GoPro, start recording. And now I can extend this monopod to its maximum length. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, turn on. GoPro, start recording. Here we go. Woo. I'm sprinting up and down, and as you can see, the GoPro head mount is nicely firm on my head and it's not going anywhere. So guys, if you're doing any activities outside, this GoPro head mount is the one to get. It's a nice and firm fit with the silicone waves inside, which I showed you. Keeps it nice and comfortable, and it's not going anywhere. Oof, amazing. With this body strap, you can easily adjust the tension on the straps, and it fits in nice and securely on your body. So I'm just going to carry out this quick test now. GoPro, start recording. I'm sprinting up and down, and as you can see, it's nicely secured on my body. It's not going anywhere. GoPro, stop recording. So these are not only the accessories that you get for the GoPro camera, there are tons of accessories out there that you can purchase that does different kind of jobs. So guys, if you own a GoPro camera or planning to get one, then I do recommend you getting one of these cases that has plenty of accessories for your action or adventure that you'll be going on. So personally myself, I'll be testing out all these accessories on my adventure and traveling that I'll be doing in my upcoming videos. So guys, stay tuned, and I shall catch you in the next one. Peace.